Today we're gonna do it 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 6 by 6 relay.
Oh my God. So my role is to just scramble it, this Rubik's cube, so that there's no doubt. You know, there's no doubt. Okay, I will scramble it. What's the first one? You need to arrange first the.
No, there's no specific order.
Oh, there's no specific order, right? This is a well scrambled stuff. Let's see. Let's see how many minutes you will do.
I don't know, probably like 11.
Okay.
Well, actually, no, maybe like 10.
Alright. This one first. I will scrambling the whole stuff. And I need to scramble very nicely. Ready?
And this time I won't forget to do one of them.
Alright, you need to inspect
Especially
first.
because there's only.
Need to inspect. Let's see.
Okay,
That's a well scrambled stuff. Alright. Let's see. Oh my God. And
No! Oh my god.
come on. Let's see. Oh, casual. Oh wow. See it?
Very slow.
You can see it, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, how many seconds only for this 2 by 2? Come on for that 4 by 4.
Oh my god. It is really hard to see in this light. Even though that's literally the opposite of the last person. But that's okay.
That's not a 4 by 4. That's not 3 by 3. Okay, that's a 4 by 4.
Yes, I know.
It's more complicated than the 3 by 3.
Yes. I
Oh
know.
my God.
Wait.
You need to visualize. You need to. Oh, it takes a lot of concentration.
Oh, this is a little more.
Make it. You can make it, bro. You can make it.
No! It's
You
lost
can
out.
make it.
Come on.
Oh, come on. Come on. And 6 by 6 is just on standby for that 4 by 4 to be solved. Come on. Alright. Alright.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Come on, that's easy, bro. That's it's just a piece of cake.
I know. It's just taking me a while.
It's just a piece of cake, bro.
I know, that's why I
I
eat.
know. I have a really.
Oh.
I have a very great belief in you.
Yes, you do.
Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh. There we go. There we go. Almost, ladies and gentlemen. He's just pushing.
That was slow.
He's just turning and turning like a trompo.
What?
Oh, come on! Come on! Oh shit! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you can see it. Oh, that's the real challenge right now. 6 by 6 is the real challenge right now. The real challenge right now. Because that is not easy. See, you have the 6 by 6 in four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, all cubes have
No,
four
it's
sides.
not only 4 sides. It's an 8 sides because 4 there, 4 there.
Yeah, all cubes
Yeah,
have 8
all
sides.
8, all square are 8.
Yeah.
That composes 8 sides. Cube.
Yes.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I have faith on you. You can make it.
Gotta take a real
You need to beat your best during those days, you know.
I'm gonna be
During
the
those
best, 'cause
last
this is my
days,
first
during
time.
those last performance that you have, you need to beat.
Oh my gosh.
Come on,
Oh
I
no.
have a great belief in you. All right. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's already. He's figuring out. He's figuring out. He's figuring out because this is not really easy, ladies and gentlemen. 6x6, not 5x5 or 3x3. It's 6x6.
Yeah, it was 2.
Oh my God! I have a very great belief on you, no doubt.
Come on, 9.
Come on, come
It's
on,
gonna take forever.
ladies and gentlemen. This is 6x6. It's not 5x5. It's not 4x4 or 3x3. It's a 6x6 to let you know, right? Because sometimes you might think that it's easy, but ladies and gentlemen, that's not easy. The algorithm is real.
Oh wait, what?
It's a real thing, you know what I'm saying? Coach Michael wants the pressure.
Yeah, it's taken a long time.
Coach Michael wants the pressure. Oh, I can now see some kind of arrangement, you know. Oh, I can find refuge. Oh, come on, ladies and gentlemen. For you to know, this is not 3x3 or 4x4 or 5x5. It's 6x6. It's more complicated than this 2x2 or 4x4. This is 6x6. Oh, yeah, you can make it, bro. Take time. Take your time, bro. You need to concentrate.
I am.
Yeah, concentrate. Don't mind the fans right there because all over the world. They're watching you, how you perform, how you going to solve the 6x6 Rubik's Cube. Figure it out, man. Figure it out. Oh, but I could see already some kind of arrangement, you know. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Don't give up. There we go. There we go. There we go. See?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to.
Figure it out. Let's concentrate.
Oh.
My viewers, bro. We're just watching you to solve that one. Even me, I don't know the one, bro. To let you know. Alright. Oh. Alright, don't pressurize you. Oh, I can see now some kind of light inside the tunnel. I can see now a green, yellow, blue, red. Oh, this right.
It's a kind of intense feeling. Right? Kind of your choke like that. See? I could see some kind of like on beyond or something like at the end of the tunnel. Come on, I could see light at the end of the tunnel. Very small light, but now becoming like this.
What?
See? Now
Where's
you
yellow,
can make it, bro.
green?
You
Where
can
is
make it. Yeah, you can make
I
it.
can't find it.
Yeah, you need to concentrate, man. I have faith on you. I have the greatest faith in you, man. Oh, come on. Because, as I've said, ladies and gentlemen, for you to know, this is 6x6. It's not 2x2. It's not 3x3. It's not 4x4. It's not 5 by 5, but 6 by 6. It's more complicated. You need to double the 3 by 3. See how it goes? But you can see it like some kind of arrangement already. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Something like this. Look. Okay, I need just to keep quiet here. I need to do my like this. I need to keep quiet.
Red.
Don't turn off the comment section.
Yeah, guys, don't interrupt. You're also something.
Don't turn off the comment section because I could see some kind of light. Oh,
Okay, just do
he's
that.
figuring it out. He's figuring it out. Come on, bro.
We're gonna post. There's screens right there. That.
There we go. There we
Oh
go.
wow, I thought it was cement.
Now I could see some kind of hope that in a couple of seconds or a couple of just minutes and everything will be solved. Alright. Now I could see some kind of see?
Oh,
I could see.
No. That
Okay, one piece is already there. One piece is
not done. I
not
can't
done.
move on yet.
yeah, don't worry. Just concentrate because one piece that is not according to the place where it could be, and there we go. There we go. Need to turn until you turn like a hero. You turn like a legend.
I turned into a legend.
Oh, something like that. You could see, ladies and gentlemen. You could see it.
No!
You could see it, ladies and gentlemen. The tense is there. The tense is there. Don't worry. The tense is there.
What?
See? This is 2 by 2. This is 4 by 4. And this 6 by 6 is not 3 by 3 or 5 by 5. It's 6 by 6. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go. I'm excited.
No!
Don't
No!
worry. Just focus. Don't worry about the time, man.
What? What did I do?
Oh, see? No. Yeah, you need to. There we go. Some kind of hope. There we go. Oh. Some kind of hope. There we go.
Oh my god, I really need to restart.
Oh.
I'm just doing this all the way from scratch. Are you kidding me?
Don't worry.
no.
Just concentrate. Because it's not easy. That's 6 by 6, man. That's 6 by 6.
Oh, where's the piece?
I could feel that tense.
Where's the orange?
Yeah, see?
I'm trying my hardest.
You need your
I just
you need to use your eyes, man.
Yeah, I'm using all 4 of them.
I could feel the tense. Oh my god.
Where's yellow
Now,
and green?
ladies and gentlemen, this is really a complicated stuff, you know?
Yeah, especially because I re-scrambled it
If
all.
your piece is on the other side of the globe, and then you need to turn all over 90 degrees, 180 degrees, perpendicular parallel. Yeah. Okay, I could see again a kind of arrangement and some kind of hope. Man.
Oh, wait,
I hope that one piece will be on
Alright.
on that designated area, not in the bottom or in the at the top of everything. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Now I know.
Finally, you just
Finally.
final stretch again.
Yeah. And
And
there we go. You could see it, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a joke. It's not a joke. You could see the tense. You could see the concentration of this guy.
Come on.
The smile, the teeth and everything is
No,
there.
I got this again.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Just keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it up.
That's why I got it wrong.
Okay.
No.
Don't worry, just concentrate. Don't worry about the time. Oh, shh. As you can see, there's no doubt. All 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's only like 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Okay? Oh, good. There's no doubt, ladies and gentlemen, for you to know it's well arranged. See, yellow, orange, white, green, blue, and red. Okay? There's no doubt. So how many minutes for all of this?
Should we try? Should
So
we try
it
one
takes
more?
it takes time for this because it's 6 by 6, ladies and gentlemen. So one more time, okay?
All right, one more time.
One more
All right,
time.
Do the scrambling.
All
All
right.
right, let's hope we can get
So
under
you
14 minutes.
to no, so
I
there's
messed
no
it up
see,
so
I
bad.
scramble it. There's no
Let me practice.
see. Second try. This is the final and the second, okay? Second try. Second try. Even in turning, ladies and gentlemen, even scrambling is not easy, you know. How much more if you are going to concentrate on arranging, you know. Scrambling is not even easy. You can understand
Don't turn it too
the
forcefully.
tense. Oh,
Don't turn it too forcefully.
yeah. Right. Right. Alright, this one. I scramble also. In. Very nicely. Very nicely. Alright. Right. Just go to turn off the comment section. Alright, wait. I need to arrange first.
Alright, you ready?
See, you
'Cause
could
I'm
see,
ready.
ladies and gentlemen, I scramble it very, very nicely. See,
Alright, give them to
I
me,
will
boss.
show you this one. Oh, see all the sides,
All the colors.
all the
All the
colors.
6
It's
colors.
been scattered
I'm ready,
all over.
Chief.
See, all right. Now
Bring 'em
I
to
will
me.
pass to the.
Bring them to me.
Go. Inspect, bro.
Alright, I don't think I should really inspect that much for 6
Yeah, I know.
by 6
Because see how fast this one. See how many seconds. Shit.
that was much faster than last time.
See, the 4x4 is not 3x3, ladies and gentlemen. It's 4x4, so it takes a little bit
A little bit of time.
time.
It takes
And
like a
then
minute.
this will be the most challenging part of the problem to solve the 6 by 6. See, it takes a lot of time, man. Alright, okay, I need to also be silent because not to bother this guy, not to bother his concentration.
Oh, okay. That. And then,
I have faith in you, bro. I have the greatest belief already. You already established my greatest belief on you that you can make it in a few minutes. See, there we go. I saw already the hope. I saw already few more minutes or seconds maybe. Few more minutes or seconds maybe. See?
Oh no.
You got it, man. You got it. Oh my God. Oh, shh. There's no doubt, ladies and gentlemen, all the 6 sides is being placed accordingly. See? Right? This is the most challenging part of the game. This is the most challenging part of the puzzle. No? See? 6 by 6 is not easy, ladies and gentlemen. Just watch and relax. Just like
Get a bag of
watching
popcorn.
the greatest movie on earth. Because this guy, see the concentration? He's kneeling. The concentration is very, very, tough. Oh my God.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Sit back. I will sit back and relax
And enjoy the
and
show.
enjoy the show.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding?
Yeah.
That's okay.
I have faith in you, man. I have faith in you. So I need to do like this, just observe. Not to become talkative.
No, it's fine. I honestly don't care. Do whatever you want, man.
Because he's focusing, I can distract his focus. If I'm always talking sometimes nonsense, you know what I'm saying? But
Not all of this nonsense.
I have faith in you. I have faith in you. My face is huge. Alright. I will going to sit back and relax. Watching a movie. The Iron Man.
Oh gosh. Oh, I need to do the inner one. No. Okay. Alright, there we go. Easy.
There we go.
Alright.
I could find already the light.
Do this, baby.
I could find the light inside the tunnel, man.
Okay. Orange.
I could find the light inside and beyond or at the end of the tunnel. I could see the lights somewhere, everywhere. Just sit back and relax.
Oh.
There we go. There we go. The red is the other side. There we go. There we go. Takes a lot of turn, ladies and gentlemen, because it's 6 by 6. Takes a lot of turn, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the show.
Oh, I messed up. Dang it.
Don't worry, just continue.
There we go.
There we go. There we go. I saw it.
I need to put in the word get started.
I saw it. I saw something is great to happen, you know. I see some kind of vision
Come on.
beyond the stars.
Oh. Okay. No.
Yo, that's
were correct.
Yeah, I know. Great things happening right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Wait, that wouldn't make any sense.
Just continue and don't give up. Because giving up is no sense at all. And continue to solving the problem is having the sense of what?
You're gonna have 100 IQ.
100%.
100% IQ.
Yeah.
100% 100 IQ.
You're right, back ducks. This is your show. This is your channel, you know. This is your show, man. Kind of complicated thing. It takes a lot of turn, ladies and gentlemen. Because arranging some piece to the side, to the other side, and side, you need to turn a lot of your sharp mind is included. Oh, see, it messed it up, but
I almost messed it up.
it messed it up, but almost.
Barely got that. Oh my god.
Come on.
Right. Okay.
Latest.
And then
Huh? There we go. There we go. The algorithm is there, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. The count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
oh no.
7,
That does not look good.
8,
Well, this looks good. Looks
9,
fantastic.
10, 11, 12,
Come on, Nate. You got this, Nate.
13, 14, 15, 16.
Come on. Oh my god.
Yeah, don't worry.
Let's go. Let's go.
So let's just
Go.
see like
Go.
10 minutes.
Go.
Okay, 10 minutes.
Let's go.
10
Only
minutes.
10 minutes.
You need to have like this. Something like that. Okay? Almost 10 minutes for this 6x6, man. Yeah. Alright. So now you need to speak something about everything is done. You did a great job. The greatest job that I ever seen on my naked eyes. So speak something.
Hey guys, if you like this video, smash the like button, smash the bell,
Hey,
Yeah.
smash the subscribe button.
why can't you guys do the video without me?
Yeah. We did the video because you are the fan.
Yeah, you're the fan.
Yeah.
Okay,
You're
bye.
included- You're included to become the fan. Okay? Say something.
Hit the subscribe button.
Bye.
Comment if you can comment.
Bye.
And hit the like button again, and then hit it again, and then I'll see you in the next video.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.